तो कुशाग्र जी, we would like to know कि how did you come to inner journeys? कैसे आए आप हम तक?
My introduction to inner journeys was through Abhishek sir only. Last year he was conducting some workshop somewhere. तो वहाँ पे I went through a PLR session, and since then I got introduced to him. So I took a few sessions from him and I really liked it. And so अब inner journeys कुछ भी करता है तो मेरे कान खड़े हो जाते हैं और आंखें एकदम चमक जाती हैं कि हाँ I have to go for this.
Okay, so like there are many workshops you've attended already?
Yes, so I'm also undergoing that hypnotherapist training, and which is being conducted by Inner Journeys only in association with CHI, California Hypnosis Institute. So I've done 3 levels till now, and the experience has been so good that I don't feel like, associating myself in any other place now. At least for this work, energy work, I know where to go. And also I've also taken their help in energy clearances of both Abhishek sir and Priyanka ma'am, and some other specific things also.
Okay, so how is the experience so far?
The experience has been fantastic. The best thing that I find about both of them, they are very authentic. So it's not like, you don't feel like that you're connecting with somebody, because right now, as we all know, in this field of work or anywhere actually, it's very commercialized, right? It's very commercialized. But with these people, you know that you're getting your money's worth. If you're investing something, you know that whatever guidance that will come to you will be authentic, and it creates an impact. Like last year when I came to Abhishek sir, so it just put me on a very different journey, something that I'd not discovered before, and helping you gain in confidence and helping you, they put you on such a path where you realize कि हाँ यार अब मैं खुद ही कर सकता हूँ, where they empower you. It's not, they don't make you dependent on themselves, which is I think the best part.
Okay, so would you like to recommend somebody?
Oh yes, I'll definitely would want to recommend both of them. I think anybody who wants to get any sort of energy work done. So right now, today also I undertook a angel therapy level 1 workshop by Priyanka ma'am, conducted by Inner Journeys, which was again so fantastic. And again, certain things, when they start happening to you, when you're learning things and they just start happening, you feel, it's like magical. You never even thought of all these things. Yaar, kabhi ye main kar paunga. And now that you're able to do it, so I think credit goes to the teachers, and I feel a very special bond. So I'd like to recommend it to each and every person who wants to, because these things, they just help you improve. They help you improve in whichever area of your life you're looking to improve, wherever you are, at whichever place that you are. I think connecting yourself to Inner Journeys and taking any sort of workshop that intrigues you will only help you.
So what kind of people you think so should come forward?
I think people who are confused in life, people who are confused, who are undergoing any sort of, who need any sort of healing, emotional pain, who have tried all sort of नीम हकीम खतरेजान टाइप हिसाब किताब हर जगह जा चुकी हैं, एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ये वो चीज़ें, और उनको जवाब नहीं मिल रहे. They're not finding solutions to their problems, maybe phobias, maybe any fears or any relationship issue, anxiety, stress, anything, because they have so many modalities. I think कोई ना कोई तो फिट बैठ ही जाएगा. I think जितने भी लोग हैं परेशानियों में बैठते हैं. तो
Thank you so much, Kushagra. It was so nice talking to you. Thank you so much.
Same here.